Welcome to Design Eye. I'm Heather, your guide to stunning interiors. In today's video, we'll explore beautiful kitchen island ideas. Join me as we showcase and discuss these designs, highlighting their aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. Let's dive into the world of inspired kitchen islands. This kitchen island design is truly captivating. I love the way the soft gray cabinetry pairs with the warm wooden countertop, creating a balanced and inviting look. The choice of rattan bar stools adds a touch of natural texture, making the space feel cozy and lived in. The use of plants is a fantastic decor choice, bringing in a vibrant, fresh atmosphere that livens up the entire kitchen. From a functional perspective, this island serves multiple purposes. It provides ample counter space for food preparation, an area for casual dining or socializing, and additional storage with cabinets underneath. The placement of the island in the center of the kitchen makes it a focal point, encouraging interaction and conversation. If I were to suggest any improvements, I might consider adding pendant lighting above the island to enhance the ambiance and provide better task lighting. Overall, this kitchen island is a wonderful design choice that combines aesthetics with practicality, creating a warm and functional heart for the home. This kitchen island design is a perfect blend of modern elegance and functional simplicity. I'm particularly drawn to the sleek, minimalist lines of the island itself, complemented by the dark, matte finish of the countertop. The wood paneling on the front adds a touch of warmth, balancing the cool tones of the metal bar stools. These bar stools, with their geometric design, offer a contemporary feel that enhances the overall aesthetic. The pendant lights above the island are a standout feature for me. Their glass globes provide a soft, diffused light, creating a welcoming ambiance while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Additionally, the open shelving on the back wall, adorned with a variety of plants and decorative items, introduces a lively, personalized touch to the space. Functionality-wise, this island offers a generous amount of counter space for meal preparation and serving, while the seating arrangement makes it an ideal spot for casual dining or social gatherings. If I were to make any changes, I might incorporate a slightly larger overhang on the countertop to provide more legroom for those seated. Overall, this kitchen island is a beautiful and practical centerpiece that perfectly marries style and utility. This kitchen island design immediately caught my eye with its striking contrast between the dark cabinetry and the bright white countertop. I love how the black base of the island anchors the space, providing a bold yet sophisticated look. The metal bar stools add an industrial edge, enhancing the modern aesthetic of the kitchen. The choice of pendant lighting above the island is excellent. The ribbed glass shades offer a vintage touch while ensuring that the area is well lit for both cooking and dining. The island itself is highly functional, providing ample workspace for meal prep and a casual dining area. I also appreciate the decor choice of placing a simple vase with fresh flowers on the island, adding a touch of natural beauty to the sleek design. One suggestion I would make is to incorporate more storage solutions within the island, perhaps with built-in shelves or additional drawers to maximize its utility. Overall, this kitchen island is a fantastic design choice, combining elegance, functionality, and a bit of industrial charm. This kitchen island is a stunning example of contemporary design infused with a touch of luxury. I'm particularly impressed by the combination of materials and colors used. The soft pink hue of the island base contrasts beautifully with the sleek, dark cabinetry and the rich wooden flooring. The brass accents on the bar stools and the pendant lights add a touch of elegance and sophistication, making the entire space feel upscale and inviting. The pendant lights themselves are a great choice, providing focused illumination on the island and creating a cozy atmosphere. I also appreciate the skylight above the kitchen, which floods the space with natural light and highlights the vibrant green plants adorning the shelves. From a functional standpoint, this island serves as both a prep area and a casual dining spot, with plenty of space for food preparation and seating. The integrated sink is a practical feature, making it easy to wash vegetables or clean up without having to move around the kitchen. If I were to suggest an improvement, it would be to incorporate more storage options within the island, perhaps with hidden compartments or additional drawers. Overall, this kitchen island is a perfect blend of style, functionality, and modern design, creating a vibrant and luxurious heart for the home. This kitchen island design is absolutely charming, embodying a coastal, airy feel that I find incredibly inviting. The all-white cabinetry and marble countertop create a clean, bright space that feels both fresh and timeless. I'm particularly fond of the blue subway tile backsplash, which adds a lovely pop of color and a touch of the seaside to the kitchen. The rattan bar stools are a fantastic choice, providing a warm, natural texture that contrasts beautifully with the crisp white elements. They also add a casual, beachy vibe, making the space feel relaxed and comfortable. The large conical pendant lights above the island are both functional and stylish, providing ample light for tasks while adding a touch of elegance. One of the standout features for me is the abundance of natural light, thanks to the large windows and doors. This not only enhances the airy feel, but also makes the kitchen a pleasant space to spend time in. If I were to make any adjustments, I might suggest incorporating a few more colorful accessories or plants to add a bit more personality and vibrancy to the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a beautiful, functional centerpiece that perfectly complements the light, coastal aesthetic of the kitchen. This kitchen island exudes modern elegance with its clean lines and minimalist design. I'm immediately drawn to the combination of white and natural wood, which creates a fresh, contemporary look. The white marble countertop is stunning and adds a touch of luxury, while the wooden accents bring warmth and texture to the space. The rattan bar stools are a fantastic choice, providing a natural, organic element that contrasts beautifully with the sleekness of the island. Their lightweight, airy design complements the overall minimal aesthetic, making the space feel open and inviting. The black pendant lights above the island are both stylish and functional, providing focused lighting while adding a bold, modern touch. Functionally, this island offers ample workspace for food preparation and casual dining. The integrated sink and sleek black faucet are practical features that enhance the island's utility. The under-cabinet lighting adds a soft glow, perfect for creating a cozy ambiance in the evenings. If I were to suggest any improvements, it might be to add a few colorful accessories or plants to introduce a bit more vibrancy and personality. Overall, this kitchen island is a perfect example of modern design that balances functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating a chic and welcoming heart of the home. This kitchen island design exudes elegance and sophistication. I'm immediately struck by the soft, muted color palette, which creates a calming and serene atmosphere. The light gray cabinetry paired with the white countertop gives the space a timeless, classic look. The bar stools, upholstered in a luxurious fabric, add an element of comfort and style, making the island an inviting spot for casual dining or socializing. The pendant lights above the island are a perfect choice, providing both task lighting and a touch of understated elegance. Their simple, clean lines complement the overall design without overwhelming it. The large windows and sliding doors allow plenty of natural light to flood the space, enhancing the bright and airy feel of the kitchen. From a functional perspective, this island offers ample workspace for meal preparation, as well as plenty of seating for family and guests. The layout is practical and well thought out, ensuring that everything is within easy reach. If I were to make any suggestions for improvement, I might consider adding a few more decorative elements, such as a vase of fresh flowers or some colorful kitchen accessories, to add a bit more personality and warmth to the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a beautiful, functional centerpiece that perfectly complements the elegant design of the kitchen. This kitchen island design is a bold and sophisticated statement piece. I'm particularly taken by the deep, rich green cabinetry, which adds a dramatic and elegant touch to the space. Paired with the crisp white countertop, the contrast is striking and modern. The rattan bar stools introduce a natural, earthy element, creating a balance between the sleek, contemporary look and a more relaxed, inviting atmosphere. The pendant lights above the island are a great choice, with their clear glass shades providing ample light without detracting from the overall design. I also appreciate the black and brass accents throughout the kitchen, which add a touch of luxury and cohesiveness to the design. Functionally, this island offers plenty of workspace for meal prep and casual dining. The integrated sink and gold faucet are practical features that enhance the island's utility. The layout is well thought out, ensuring that the kitchen flows seamlessly and everything is within easy reach. If I were to make any suggestions, it would be to add a few colorful accessories or plants to bring some additional vibrancy and personality to the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a perfect blend of elegance, functionality, and modern design, creating a stylish and welcoming heart for the home. This kitchen island is a charming blend of rustic and contemporary design elements, creating a space that feels both welcoming and stylish. I'm particularly fond of the white cabinetry with glass-fronted doors, which adds a touch of vintage elegance while providing practical storage for dishware. The dark countertop offers a striking contrast, grounding the space and giving it a modern edge. The use of natural wood in the stools and ceiling beams adds warmth and texture, making the kitchen feel cozy and inviting. The hanging plants and copper accents bring in a lively organic feel that enhances the overall aesthetic. The pendant lights, with their mix of modern and industrial styles, provide focused lighting and add to the eclectic charm of the space. Functionally, this island offers plenty of workspace for cooking and baking, as well as seating for casual meals or conversations. The abundance of natural light from the large windows makes the kitchen bright and airy, a perfect environment for both cooking and socializing. If I were to suggest any improvements, it would be to incorporate a few more pops of color through accessories or textiles to add a bit more personality and vibrancy. Overall, this kitchen island is a delightful fusion of rustic charm and modern functionality, making it a beautiful and practical centerpiece for the home. This kitchen island is a perfect example of classic farmhouse charm with a touch of modern elegance. I'm immediately drawn to the soft, muted color palette, particularly the pale green base of the island, which adds a subtle yet refreshing pop of color to the space. The white countertop provides a clean, crisp surface that contrasts beautifully with the warm tones of the wood and stone flooring. The upholstered bar stools are a great choice, offering both comfort and style. Their gray fabric complements the overall color scheme while adding a touch of sophistication. The industrial-style pendant light above the island is a standout feature, providing ample illumination and adding a bit of rustic charm to the kitchen. Functionally, this island is highly practical, offering plenty of workspace for meal preparation and a cozy spot for casual dining or family gatherings. The integrated sink and faucet make it easy to clean up, and the spacious layout ensures that everything is within easy reach. If I were to suggest any improvements, it might be to add a few more decorative elements, such as colorful dishware or fresh flowers, to enhance the inviting feel of the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a wonderful blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, creating a welcoming and stylish heart for the home. This kitchen island stands out with its blend of traditional and modern elements. I love how the dark base of the island contrasts with the light, wooden cabinetry, creating a striking visual balance. The marble countertop adds a touch of luxury and elegance, making the island a true centerpiece in the kitchen. The choice of wooden bar stools is excellent, providing a natural, warm texture that complements the overall design. Their simple, classic design adds a touch of timelessness to the space. The ample seating around the island makes it perfect for family meals or casual gatherings, ensuring that the kitchen remains the heart of the home. Functionally, the island offers plenty of workspace for meal preparation, and the additional storage in the form of drawers is a practical touch. The open layout allows for easy movement and accessibility, making it a highly efficient space for cooking and socializing. If I were to suggest any improvements, it might be to add some decorative elements, such as a bowl of fresh fruit or a vase of flowers, to bring a bit of color and life to the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a beautiful and functional addition that enhances the charm and utility of the kitchen. This kitchen island is a stunning example of modern design with a touch of rustic charm. I'm particularly impressed by the seamless integration of the marble and wood surfaces. The marble countertop provides a sleek, luxurious feel, while the wooden extension adds warmth and texture, creating a perfect balance between contemporary and rustic elements. The black bar stools are a great choice, offering a minimalist and sophisticated look that complements the overall design. Their sleek lines and dark color add a touch of elegance and ensure that the focus remains on the beautiful island. The black faucet and geometric pendant lights above the island enhance the modern aesthetic and provide practical lighting for both dining and food preparation. Functionally, this island excels with its ample workspace and integrated sink, making it highly practical for cooking and entertaining. The layout is open and inviting, encouraging social interaction and making the kitchen a central hub for gatherings. If I were to suggest any improvements, it might be to add some colorful decor items like a bowl of fruit or a vibrant plant to introduce a bit of life and personality to the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a perfect example of how modern design can be both functional and visually striking, creating a beautiful and practical centerpiece for the home. This kitchen island exemplifies a clean and bright design that feels both welcoming and functional. I love the use of soft gray cabinetry paired with the white countertop and island base, which creates a soothing and cohesive color palette. The shaker-style cabinets add a touch of traditional charm, while the modern pendant lights above the island provide a stylish and practical lighting solution. The wooden bar stools with black metal legs introduce a warm, natural element that contrasts nicely with the light colors, adding depth and interest to the space. The herringbone pattern of the wood flooring is a standout feature for me, bringing texture and elegance to the overall design. Functionally, this island offers plenty of workspace for food preparation and casual dining. The compact size is perfect for smaller kitchens, maximizing functionality without overwhelming the space. I appreciate the thoughtful addition of small decorative items and plants, which add personality and a touch of nature. If I were to make any suggestions, it might be to incorporate a few colorful accents or textiles to introduce more vibrancy and character. Overall, this kitchen island is a beautiful blend of traditional and modern elements, creating a bright and inviting heart of the home. This kitchen island is a beautiful blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. I'm particularly drawn to the natural wood tones of the island base, which add warmth and character to the space. The white countertop provides a clean, bright surface that contrasts nicely with the wood, creating a balanced and inviting look. The large lantern-style pendant lights are a stunning feature, adding a touch of grandeur and sophistication to the kitchen. Their brass finish complements the wood tones and ties the design together beautifully. The woven bar stools with upholstered seats are both stylish and comfortable, enhancing the overall cozy feel of the space. Functionally, this island offers plenty of workspace for cooking and baking, as well as seating for casual dining or entertaining. The placement of the island in the center of the kitchen makes it a focal point and encourages interaction and conversation. If I were to suggest any improvements, it might be to add a few colorful accessories or fresh flowers to introduce more vibrancy and life to the space. Overall, this kitchen island is a perfect example of how to combine rustic elements with modern design, creating a warm and welcoming heart of the home. This kitchen island captures a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern comfort. I'm immediately drawn to the soft, natural wood tones of the island, which add warmth and a touch of rustic charm to the space. The intricate paneling on the island base gives it a refined, traditional look, while the white countertop offers a clean and bright surface that balances the design beautifully. The seating arrangement with wooden chairs is both functional and stylish, providing ample space for family gatherings or casual meals. The pendant lights above the island are a standout feature, with their vintage-inspired design and brass accents that complement the overall aesthetic. I appreciate the harmonious color palette throughout the kitchen, with white cabinetry and subtle gold fixtures enhancing the light and airy feel. The thoughtful addition of decorative items such as fresh flowers and vintage kitchenware adds personality and warmth to the space. Functionally, this island excels with its spacious layout, making it ideal for meal prep and socializing. The integration of storage within the island base is practical, keeping the kitchen organized and clutter-free. If I were to suggest any improvements, it might be to incorporate a few more colorful accessories or textiles to add a bit of vibrancy. Overall, this kitchen island is a stunning centerpiece that perfectly marries elegance and functionality, creating a welcoming and stylish heart of the home. Thank you for joining me today to explore these beautiful kitchen island designs. I hope you found inspiration and ideas for your own space. Remember, the perfect island combines style and functionality, making your kitchen the heart of your home. Until next time, happy designing!